YouTube, what's up? It's your boy DS Kids 1047 back at it with another unboxing video. And it is crazy outside up here in New York City, man. I just got an Amber Alert just now on my phone, so the rain is crazy. As you can see, my box is a little wet. I have to pick it up from my girlfriend's mother's house because I'm never home to pick up my package. So, yep. So let's see what I got today. So this weather is out of control up here. So I literally just got home, not long from work, and I just trying to look for parking. This parking was crazy for my house, and I was like, all right, let me just check if my package came in and it said deliver. So we just went over there and picked it up. Come on. Damn. It's embarrassing I can't open this. Shoot, where's this box cutter at when I need it? Alright. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Alright. Yeezy Wave Runner 700s. Alright, let's get it. Yeezy 700 Boost. So I got a 10.5 in these just because I do not know if they, well, I got 10.5 of these. I don't know why. I got a 10.5 in these because some people say they run a little snug, some say they run true to size, but you know, certain Yeezys, you know, you gotta play around with it. Like the 500 run a little snug when I first got it. After a while, it was good. I remember I had the 350s. The 350s, they was actually pretty. It fit true to size, but I had a 9.5. That was actually real good. Alright. There we go. She was actually nice. I actually felt light. I thought it was gonna be like a dopey heavy shoe. Ooh. The Boost, the 700. So, what I had to do to get these, I ended up copping at StockX. I paid $350, $370 to advertise. The reason why I copped it for StockX is because I missed the restock. I can't always spend my money on sneakers, so I had to pay some bills. So I was like, all right, let me cop with StockX. I was looking, the price was like $2 and some change. I was like, all right, yo, the price gotta go down on these, and it went down like 3 and some change. I think I paid $350. Let me see. $350. All right, so it comes to $368. So yeah, I got lucky. Yeah. So the 700s, man, it's kind of like they look kind of slow this time. But yeah, I guess trying to get you guys to see the inside, but you can't really see. My lighting suck in here in my house. I'm gonna give me a better camera right now. I'm just using my cell phone for my videos. Alright, these are the boosters like underneath. On the bottom you can feel it. Nice. I like this color. It's a nice color. I like the leather, then the suede. The other 700s on my pass. I think these are the only 700s on my cop. I'll pop a sticker here, but yeah. So yeah, man. I'm just gonna take that. I took the L on a wide release like this, right? But hey, I was like, alright, you know, it's best to get whenever a shoe drop, and if you really want the shoe, it's best to pay resell the day of, right? But I didn't get it the day of because the day of was still like 4 and some change. Yeah, these shoes are actually really soft. Alright, just see. Look at the thing right here. Bad flash on. You guys can see the I can see a little bit as the three. These are so hard. Yeah, but these shoes, I like these shoes. But yeah, it's good to get the day of a release date. Right now, those Jordan ones is looking crazy. I only got my hand in the pine greens. I didn't get the purple. Right now I'm just debating should I keep the pine greens or not. Well, debating should I keep the pine greens, but like I said, I'm an OG colorway type of guy when it comes to Jordans. Very few retro colors I like. I like the Flint Sevens. Those are one of my favorite sevens. Now OG color ones. Can't really think of them. My favorite. I like the Black Cat Force. That's not an OG colorway. And matter of fact, they might come back out this next year, man. Hype, yo, if they come out. Me like an idiot. I didn't get the Black Cat Force in high school. They were sold out. I ended up getting the pair of monies. That's why this box is a little bigger than usual, because it's 700 and plus is a 10 I have, I'm assuming. But yeah, this is my pickup. That shoe I'm copping probably be those Yeezy 500s. Is it Salt? I like those. Those are nice. The next Yeezy I'm gonna cop is the 500s. The zebras. I need the zebras. I think that's it. Maybe the zebras, but the zebras, I'm definitely those. This Jordan I'm copping for myself. Still like next year. Bread fours and fresh senses. Maybe the Concords. I'm not too big of a fan with the 45 in the back. But yeah, so wave runners. Today's pickup. I recommend if you guys miss out on the cop, go to StockX. You'll get a decent price on your size right now. If you wait, more colorways of the 700 is coming out. So these are the original colorways. The price will go up on these bad boys. So cop ASAP. All right. Yo, yeah, I was in there. I could have copped them. I was in there. I was about to cop them, and I was like, nah, like I didn't want to waste my credit card money on that. But I was like, no, I'll wait till I get some, get money literally during the week, and then got paid, cop. But yeah, that's one of those things I was like really iffy about using my credit card on this, and I was like, nah, I don't feel like paying it back. I'd rather just keep it low, keep my credit card low, keep it on $0, right? But yeah, this is a must-have, so I didn't mind spending the extra money for it. But like I said, like more colorways are coming out on these bad boys, so cop ASAP, all right? All right, this your boy DS Kicks 1147, Yeezy 700. I'm out. Peace.